Yeah, these people don't know it yet, but it's an 8-day, and if they know what's good for them, they're not going to move. We'll see how this works. We'll see how smart people are. Like, if people have some good instincts, they should stay there right now. People should stay there right now. We're about to make something happen. I think it's smarter if you go downstairs.
Oh, really?
Yeah, trust me. Hurry up. Think it's smarter if people go downstairs. It's not the time for autographs. Well, maybe you want someone's autographs, like some Secretary of State's. Yeah. What are we doing, man? We'll find out soon what we're doing, but if you're in the mall, I suggest people be in this location. It's an 8-day, right? It's an 8-day. And what goes around comes around. Hey, I'd stay there if I were you. I'd stay there. I'd stay there, trust me. See, they don't believe me. They don't believe me. I'm telling these people to stay there. They don't trust me, though. They don't trust me yet. I'm telling them, stay there. Stay there. Uh-oh. I got assistance coming up.
So literally right under us, like under here, is a acai bowl place. Does that matter? No. Okay.
We're gonna throw it over there.
Okay.
Uh-oh. We got people here. I'm gonna start this in about 5 minutes. Come on. We're gonna start this in about 5 minutes, folks. It's about to get real interesting. You know, how we doing, brother? Okay. I'd go downstairs if I were you. Trust me on that. Right down there. Elevator's right there. Uh-oh. We got another one.
Look, there's a...
You should go downstairs. Hey, what's up, brother? You should go downstairs, though. You should go downstairs. There's an elevator right there. Go downstairs.
So when you start it, either go to that railing or this one here, because it's a restaurant.
I got you. We're going to make this happen real soon. They have no idea. They have no idea what's going on. They have no idea what's going on. Stay there. Stay there. Trust me. I bet. See? Smart man. Smart man. Uh-oh. We got all sorts of people. All sorts of people. 222. Nah, we need 800. We need 800 today. We need 800. We need 800. Uh-oh, who's this guy? Flick him off too. Who's this guy? Who is this guy? Almost showtime. Yeah. I think it's a good idea if you guys go. Everyone go downstairs. Trust me, go downstairs. Now, see, no one believes me. No one believes me. I tell people, go downstairs. Go downstairs. This is where you want to be. You want to be down there. These people just don't believe me. Sir, trust me. You want to be down there in a few minutes. Just trust me on that. We'll see if he does. I'm not sure if he will, but you'll see the video later. Gotta be downstairs, fellas. Gotta be downstairs. Action's gonna be downstairs real soon. It's coming. Alright. I'm gonna get, here you go. I'll tell you when to put it on me. Hold on.
You want me to stay here?
Stay safe. I got the shot.
Put it on me in about 30 seconds.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's an 8th day in numerology, and I decided it's a good day to do some good deeds and to bless people. Let's go. It's a good day to bless people. It's an 8th day in numerology. This is what GG33 does. They bless people. Let's get that one. No. We're not just doing that. Let's go. Let's go. Now, she has influencers. See, I was thinking, you know what? Maybe I can come in here and buy a Rolex. But instead of buying a Rolex, I'm just going to give money back to the people. It's the 8th day in numerology. Let's go.
I'm off the side right now.
I'm blessing people. I'm giving people money. What's wrong with giving people money? I want to help people. Grab my back. We're here to bless people, man. I can't give people money. What's the problem? I'm going. I'm following. I'm getting out. I'm not resisting or anything. I want to bless people. What's going on? Not pick it up. I thought about that. You want to? Which way you want me to go, sir? I'm following you. Your exit where your car is. You're going straight. Okay, I'm going with you, brother. Hey, brother, we're not here to talk, bro. We're here to help you. Hell yeah, cooperating. Hell yeah, cooperating. Oh man, see, it's the 8th day of numerology, and you want to bless people on 8th day. Hey, let me ask you something, brother. What's your birthday? July 23rd. What year? 91. So you had a tough year in 2021. Keep it real. No? All right, born on the 23rd. You travel quite a bit. You're very open-minded. See how the shape of the 5 is open on both sides? 2 and 3. So you had a pretty decent year, right? You're about to go viral right now. Born on the 23rd. This is 2023. Let's go. Which is the best way out, my man? You know you're never going to stop traffic. Learn quick too, don't you? I know you're going to look up GG33 after this. What's up, brother? He's a 5. He's a 5. Just doing good deeds, man. Doing good deeds, brother. I feel you. I hope you understand how to cooperative, brother.
Yeah, but you can't do it like that, man. If everybody start fighting because they want $10, that's our problem. That's not your problem. Because you going home happy, and now we got to break up almost 20 people. Money period. We in the almost if I was done, I would have been with you. But you know, no, you ain't do nothing wrong, but it's a protocol. You can't do stuff like that.
All right, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, sir.
You know how fast we got? Like, bro, that shit was crazy as fuck.
That's exactly what that's supposed to be, bro.
And you didn't spend that much. Good.
Yeah. I wanted to throw hundreds. They won't let me.
They cut that shit short.
They won't let me.
Look, they're following us.
They're following us.
We're still live.
We're still live. We're still live. What am I supposed to do? Give people numerology readings now? Numerology readings. How's everyone doing? Was that a good show? Was that a good show? Everyone happy? How's it there, brother? Nothing for us. Nothing. All right, you know what?
Let's go over here where...
You know, I'm going to get me in trouble, man. They're going to get me in trouble.
Come on.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Off property.
Off property.
Off property.
I can't do it, man. I can't do it. Someone call Uber. Can you call Uber?
I got a car, bro.
Where's your car at?
It's on the other side.
Yeah, that's what they call Uber. Someone call Uber real quick. Can you call Uber? Yeah. Call it right now. They kicked me out for throwing money at people, man.
Say it again.
They kicked me out for throwing money at people, man. Oh, man.
I'm gonna go get my car.
All right. And this has been a GG33 production.